Hello everyone, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. Today's our topic is HomePod 16.3 update isn't showing. Please make sure that if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe. In this video, I will show you how to fix HomePod 16.3 update not showing. Apple recently launched iOS 16.3 update for iPhone and iPad users, but lot of users are reported that iPhone already updated to iOS 16.3. But HomePod 16.3 update isn't showing. How to fix it? So the first solution is turn off advanced data protection and update HomePod. To apply the solution, first of all open the settings app, then tap on your Apple ID. Now here tap on iCloud option. Next in the iCloud section, scroll down and select advanced data protection. If the advanced data protection is turned on, then please make it turn off. From here, you can easily turn it off. Now come back to home screen and open the Home app. Here, tap on the update. In the update HomePod 16.3 update available, then please make sure to update 16.3. Once your update successfully done, then again turn on advanced data protection. To turn on advanced data protection, same process as we did for turn off advanced data protection. Go to your Apple ID, then iCloud, then here tap on advanced data protection. So that's how easily you can fix HomePod 16.3 update. In case if this solution isn't helpful for you, then please try to second solution. And the second solution is update Home app to HomePod 16.3 beta in iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you all. If you still face this issue, please tell me in the comment section. I will reply you. And please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all. We'll see you in the next video.